What's up guys, it's Ray back here, and today I would like to give my thoughts on the NZXT H510 Compact ATX PC Gaming Case, part number CA-H510B-B1. The H510 here is one of the most popular PC cases out there, and I wanted to share why I'm using it and why I believe it is the perfect case for your next build as well. So the first thing you'll notice about the NZXT H510 is how sleek and clean the design is. Of course, this is something that is all personal preference, but it will look really great in any gaming setup. What I also found to be excellent here is the cable management. This is something that was very well thought out, and in the end, it will only result in a clean setup on the inside. I also found that the H510 has a solid cooling system in place with 220mm fans, which provide a good amount of airflow. The top of the case also provides a variety of ports from USB-C to USB 3.1, making connecting to modern devices incredibly easy. Another thing that I really like about the H510 is that it has a removable tempered glass side panel held in place by a single thumb screw, so if you need to get inside to fix something or move things around, it is incredibly easy. The NZXT H510 retails for $99, however, you can find it on roguecast.com for even less. Be sure to click the banner below to see just how much you can save. Happy building!